Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, finally, DXY has crossed the previous high of 103.14 and made a high of 103.43, and right now we can see that after making this high, DXY is going for some correction. But yes, this high made by DXY gave us the confirmation that market is still bullish, and yes, there are high chance of a trend reversal here. So yes, market is going for some correction, but yes, we can expect that DXY will be either today or by next week will try to break this level and move higher. So overall, the trend of DXY seems to be bullish, or DXY seems to be going for a trend reversal. This is all about DXY, and now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. Euro USD right now standing at 1.0873. This is the current market price for euro USD, and euro USD made a low of 1.0860. This was the low made by euro USD. During the day, if we see Euro USD going down, because if we look at the present structure of the market, then the structure of the market is not very positive. We can clearly see that right now sellers have a little influence, okay, over the chart right now. So if Euro USD breaks 1.0860 level, we can look for a quick selling opportunity, and we can look for a target of around 20 to 25 pips, because we have next support around 1.0845. So if Euro USD breaks this level, we can look for a quick sell and we can exit around 1.0845, because when market showed extreme selling pressure, this was the level from where market bounced. So try to understand the market emotion here. So just imagine how strong the buyer is who is present in this area. So yes, you should be booking or exiting from your sell position around 1.0845 if market shows price ejection from below. If you see the market is trying to take support around 1.0845, you can look for exit. Okay, and on the other hand, if you see that market is really taking support, market is showing price ejection from below, market is forming a hammer kind of a pattern, will give you the confirmation that yes, the buyer, the strong buyer who bounced the market from here is still present, and you can look for a buy position as well. See, I'm analyzing the market on 4 hours time frame. You can simply go to the 1 hour time frame or also on the 15 minutes time frame, so that you can get faster confirmation, because confirmation on 4 hours time frame is slower one. Yes, analysis on higher time frame gives you the edge, okay, because you get the stability. But yes, when it comes to entry, okay, you should always focus on lower time frames. So we can look for a quick sell below this level, and if market bounces from here, you can look for a buy, and you should be also exiting from the sell position. On the other hand, especially during the European session, US session, if market shows recovery, if you see that Euro USD is going up, in that case we can look for sell around 1.0904 to 1.0920. This is the next level on the chart of Euro USD, where we can expect the market to face some selling pressure. Why? Because you can see that we have FIBO 50% retracement level, and moreover we also have the 50 moving average coming down. So yes, this area will show some presence of sellers. If market reverses according to expectation, if you see that market is struggling around this area, you can look for a sell position. So these are the only trading opportunities that I see on the chart of Euro USD, because if we look at the overall trend of Euro USD, there is no doubt that market is going towards the upside. But yes, the low made by the market and market unable to cross the previous high gave us the indication that there is a high chance that Euro USD may be going for a trend reversal as well. Because on any chart, okay, if you look for trend reversal, you will see these symptoms only. Okay, market crossing the previous low, when market going up again, market is unable to cross the previous high. So these are the symptoms of a trend reversal. So as a result, you need to be extra careful while taking a buy around this support as well. Okay, so that's all from my side. Today is Friday. Be careful, do not gamble with your hard-earned money. We have a news coming up. If you go to economic calendar, you will see that we have a news coming up. Michigan consumer sentiment during the US session. It's not a big event, so I won't say that Michigan consumer sentiment will change the sentiment of the market. Nothing is going to like that, but yes, there may be some volatility for a single candle. Be a trader, not a gambler. So if you see the market has come to your position, if you see the opportunity is right, then only go for it. This is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so be careful. Follow proper risk management. Bye bye. If you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. Yes, the Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after the 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things.